In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rearrange items in Etsy shop. If you've ever wanted your products to appear in a more intentional order so shoppers see your best categories first, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to do. We'll use Etsy's built-in tools to reorder your shop sections, which controls how groups of listings appear on your storefront. Start by heading to the Etsy website in a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. Make sure you're signed in to the account that manages your shop. Once you're on Etsy, look for Shop Manager, typically located at the top of the page. Click it to open your seller dashboard. This is your main control center, and everything we need is located here. Inside Shop Manager, select Listings. This area holds all the products you've published, as well as drafts you might be working on. We're not changing any product details today, just how they're organized for buyers to browse more easily. Next, find the Sections area. Sections are the categories you've created, such as new arrivals, best sellers, or any custom groupings that fit your shop. The order of these sections influences the layout of your shop page. Moving a section higher or lower adjusts how buyers see those groups when they land on your storefront. Click Manage to begin rearranging. You'll now see your list of sections with drag handles. Click and hold a section, drag it above or below another, and release to drop it into place. Take a moment to arrange them thoughtfully. Put your most popular, seasonal, or high-margin groups toward the top. This helps guide shoppers to what matters most right away. Your changes will update on your store automatically. It may take a moment for the new order to show on your public shop page, so give it a quick refresh if you don't see it right away. Keep in mind, empty sections won't display to customers, and the items within each section will appear according to their usual listing order once the section itself is moved. If you don't see the sections option, double-check that your shop has sections set up and that you're viewing the listings area in your shop manager. For best results, make these adjustments on desktop rather than a mobile browser. That's it. By going to Etsy, opening Shop Manager, heading to Listings, navigating to Sections, and using Manage to drag and drop, you can fine-tune the order of your shop and create a cleaner, more strategic browsing experience. Revisit this anytime your inventory or priorities change to keep your storefront fresh and focused.